Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a new topic in dissolution chapter that is called realization account. My dear student, realization account is very important account in the dissolution chapter. What is the realization account? But you can simply understand that we have to later on understand what is the accounting treatment during the realization account prepared. Realization account, why realization account we are going to prepare? First, the reason is that the firm is going to be end or firm is going to be discontinued. So whatever the assets in the firm, they are going to be sold, and whatever the liabilities, they are going to be paid. So what are the assets and the liabilities, they are going to be treated in the concern of this realization. So here you can understand there are so many things. The first thing is that why realization account is prepared first. So we have already understand 2-3 things. How many types of accounts? That first is assets account. Okay, remember liability accounts. In every business there is 5 accounts: assets account, liability account, and third is expense account, and fourth is income account. Okay, and the fifth is that capital account. My dear student, here business is going to be end. So what will happen? Assets and liabilities going to be, all the assets account is going to be closed. Okay, all the assets account and liability account is going to be closed. It means we are not going to prepare a balance sheet. We are not going to continue the assets. We are not going to continue the liabilities. Why? Because business is going to be end. So every assets like plant, machinery, building, land, whatever the assets except cash or bank account, whatever the assets is going to be closed. Okay, it is going to be closed by realization account. So I will explain how to close realization account. Okay, similarly whatever the liabilities or debts on the firm, so it also be going to be closed by realization account. So it will be not closed, it is going to be also closed. These two are already closed in the profit and loss account and trading account. We have already studied in the financial statement chapter. So the assets account and liabilities accounts are going to be closed. Let's see one example. Okay, what is the example? How, why assets and liabilities? Suppose a firm have assets, machinery. Okay, machinery. Okay, machinery. How much machinery they have? Suppose they have a machinery at the beginning that 50,000 rupees. Okay, so what will happen? The firm is going to be close the 50,000 machinery account with the help of realization account. So what will happen in this debit side? In this debit side, in credit side, it will be going to be closed realization. Why? Because the firm is going to be sold this machinery, whatever the value decided. Okay, so here the account is going to be closed. The assets account is going to be closed this way. So what is the journal entry, my dear student? The journal entry of this, that here realization account you are mentioned here in the credit side. Okay, here it is mentioned in credit side. So what will happen in the journal entry? See, the journal entry is that realization account, machinery account. Okay, So you are not going, first you have to concept, we are not going to continue our machinery next year or coming year. Why? Because it is the end of the firm is going to discontinue. Okay, so machinery account. So you can put it this thing in the journal that realization account debited to machinery account. Okay, you write down the journal entry. Realization account debited to machinery account. This is the journal entry. Okay, whatever the assets in the business, they are going to close. This is the closing entry. You can also say that whatever the assets in the firm, they are going to be closed by realization account. So what is the next treatment? Next treatment is that if the firm is going to be sell this machinery at not at 40,000. In question it is mentioned that machinery sold rupees 40,000. So what is the entry? The entry is that bank account debited to, you cannot write machinery, you write down realization account. Have you understand this thing? Bank account debited to realization account 40,000. Once I am going to revise. In dissolution chapter, my dear student, we have to prepare a realization account. So what is the realization account? Every assets and liability account is going to be closed. How to close? By realization account. In this example, I have taken, if a firm have 50,000 rupees machinery, okay, we have to close this account by realization account. Here, the opening balance of machinery is in debit side, so you have to record by realization account in the credit side of the machinery account, that is called by realization account 50,000. It means the machinery account is closed by realization account. So what is the journal entry of this? Realization account debited to machinery account. Okay, 50,000 you have to write down. Next is that it is the dissolution chapter, my dear student. In dissolution chapter, machinery is going to be sell. What is the value? Machinery is going to be sell 40,000 rupees. Okay. So you will write down bank account debited to realization account 40,000. Here you can also take a change. Suppose this machinery is going to be taken by any partner. Okay. The name of the partner is given. Here it is mentioned that machinery taken by Ram, okay, at rupees 45,000. What will happen in this situation? Simple, machinery is going to be taken by Ram at 45,000. So what will have? Write down this entry. Ram account debited to realization account. Simply you write down Ram account debited. You can write down Ram capital account. Okay, Ram capital account debited to realization account. Okay, you can write down Ram account debited to realization account. What is the value? It is mentioned that 45,000. Okay, this is the journal entry of this situation. So you have a three option. Option number 1, the machinery or any assets can be sold. Okay, the selling price is given in the question. Okay, it is another option is that if any assets taken by any partner, that is means the partner's capital account is going to be debited. In this situation, what we observe, machinery taken by Ram is the partner, so partner's capital account is going to be debited to realization account. Okay, So another option, if there is nothing is mentioned in this adjustment of the question regarding this machinery, you have no need to sell. It means machinery, you have to assume that machinery is not sold. Okay. I hope, my dear student, you understand this realization. In coming video, I will explain another realization with the help of the liabilities. Okay. If any question you can ask, my dear student.